What else is involved in applying to these US universities? Note that SAT scores are only one part of your application package. Even perfect 800s don't guarantee admission if other parts are weak. You also need strong academic record, a winning essay, meaningful extracurricular activities, and good letters of recommendation. Now let's go through each of these. First, strong academic record. Here we have the academic record constituting your 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th marks. 12th actually will not be fully available by the time you apply. The strong academic record would also include projects and participation in science fairs and meaningful projects. So the fat man going to Mars, where you just cut and paste some stuff you've downloaded from the internet, is not good enough. You can also show their strong academics by being members of Maths Club and taking part in the Olympiads and doing well there, or Astronomy Club, taking part in projects sponsored by NASA, etc. Or you could show that you have published writing. It doesn't have to be only of this caliber. It could even be that you have written an essay and published it in the newspaper or in a magazine. It could even be a short story. Next we have, these are the various kinds of extracurricular activities